It was the first playoff game in Victoria in 23 years, and the fans loved pretty well every minute of it. Here's a look at some of the sights and sounds of last night's game between the Royals and the Blazers. Should be fun. Good seats too for a change, which is good.
Hey, I'm sorry, we don't allow your kind in here. We do not allow media in here.
Oh, you're kidding.
What?
I told you.
You guys have to leave.
But Mike's working for me tonight.
I knew this was going to happen. Excuse us. Sorry. Well, who's going to win this game?
Royals!
What's the final score going to be, Keegan?
10-0.
10-0. Go Royals!
I think it's really cool and exciting to have the Royals get to play in the playoffs.
Now here's Crooks. Crooks shot, scores!
Oh, it's great. Actually seeing decent hockey happen live is amazing.
This is just fantastic. They're playing a great game tonight.
Here comes back to Zagragan. Shot off the post, score on the rebound! And the Blazers win the first game on Vancouver Island since 1989. And Bill, they do it in a real wild and weird fashion tonight.